MKF 1120 is the first year undergraduate marketing unit, where we have around about 700 students each semester. So it's a big unit, and it's a compulsory unit for all business students. A large proportion of them aren't majoring in marketing. They're doing accounting, for example, and some of those students aren't particularly excited about studying marketing. The way we used to do things was the old lecture tutorial model. We had a 2-hour lecture every week and a 1-hour tutorial. Students don't want to be attending lectures anymore, and I've seen that that's not an effective way for students to be learning. In setting up the pre-class activities, we had a look at the entire unit and effectively broke it down into all of the content delivery and then the interactive activities. And you can do that really with any unit. Of course, all of the content delivery, that didactic stuff, that particularly in a first year undergraduate unit where there's certain things that students just have to learn. So all of that we moved online into Moodle. Anything that involved interaction or students wanting to clarify or criticise or analyse some of the higher order Bloom's taxonomy areas, that then is of course the sort of thing that we do in the classroom. But anything that was content delivery, that moved online to Moodle. So we don't have the large lectures anymore. The beauty of this is that valuable class time where students are able to interact, engage with each other in active learning scenarios, which used to be the tutorials, we've now extended that to a 1.5-hour workshop. We are very careful in the way we think about how that should be structured. We want students to be there, engaged and learning during that hour and a half. Interestingly, not so much about technology. It's about the students facing each other, talking with each other and solving problems together. I'm fascinated to see over the next few years what happens now that, for example, secondary school kids are using iPads rather than textbooks, and that's really only been the last couple of years that's become mainstream. And I suspect as a result of that we're going to see a shift in the way our students over the next few years are learning. They'll be reading differently. They'll be more comfortable, I suspect, reading on screen as opposed to wanting to print everything out and read on paper. Let's see what happens over the next few years.